Welcome back in this English question answer session. Now it belongs to English textbook of standard 5, lesson 19th, named The Book of Nature. Page number 138, dated 11th of March 2022. Let us participate in it positively. Question second. Write true for correct statement and false for incorrect one. A. There were only animals before the man came on the earth. True. B. There was a time when the earth was very cold. Incorrect. So you have to write false in this given box. C. The remains of old animals are called fossils. True. D. We read history in books. True. E. The pebble is not smooth and shiny. False. F. A rock has no corners. Incorrect. So you have to write false. G. A little river takes the stone to the big river. Absolutely true. So you have to write true. H. Sand is a small part of stone. Of course, it is absolutely correct. So you have to write true in this given box. In this way, you have to write correct and incorrect sentence marked as true and false in your copy and must get it checked. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.